Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to learn when to use and organize a space in Google Chat on PC. So go to Google Chat or Gmail and under space you can click create or find a space. So enter a space name, for example, and you can add exclusion but it's optional. So um, enter name or email or person or group to add the people and then just click create. So you can choose an access level for your organization and you can invite external people into the space. You can check allow people outside your organization to join. Right, that's you can add information, add people into the space. Alright, that's the information to use and organize a space. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.